We're going to learn Midnight Waltz. This is a bass clef song. So you want to get out your blue colored pencil or crayon or marker. Circle your bass clef signs. And you can write LH for left hand to remind you that bass clef uses the left hand. Now our bass clef guide note is the second space C, but as you can see, we don't actually play anything until we get to this fifth measure. So in these first four measures, we have whole rests. That means you rest for the whole entire measure because the teacher part has a like a clock striking sound. And I will show you how you can actually play that if you want to. But let's start by learning how to play the song. So here's where you actually start playing after four measures of rest. Now, one more thing about the rests. In this song, the time signature is 3/4, which means there's 3 beats in every measure. So you only count to 3 for the whole rests. Isn't that weird? Usually whole notes and rests, we think of them as being 4 beats, but actually they're just the whole measure, whatever the measure happens to be. So in this case, we'd count rest, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, then we start. Okay, so here's where you're going to start. You want to mark 2 as your guide note. Remember what the guide note is in the left hand bass clef? It is C. So mark down your C here. And we're going to look through and see if we can find any sames. Okay, so I'll sing through the song and you see if you can mark any sames. Or you can pause the video right now and try to find the sames before and then check them while I sing. So here we go. We're going to go C, down, down, same, up, up, down, up, up. Now second line, we start on C again. C, down, down, same, up, up, down, up, down, down. Rest, same, same, rest, same, same, up, up, down, down. We have these quarter rests. These are just 1 beat rests, so you just count 1 beat of rest. Lots of sames in this one. There was one right here, and one right here. And then here, you're going to want to mark here all the way across because those are all sames. The rest just breaks up the beats a little bit, but they're still sames. I'm going to play this song for you. And then you can pause the video and practice it after you hear it. So, left hand song. We're going to have finger 2 on my bass C down here. And remember I told you I would show you what you can play for that beginning part if you want to. Don't worry about it if you're not ready for this. But the right hand part in the teacher accompaniment goes from an A to an A. Now I can reach it because I have a big hand, but what you would do is you would play like this. A, hold it, A, hold it, A, hold it, A, then you begin. C, down, down, same, up, up, down, up, up, 2, 3. C, down, down, same, up, up, down, up, down, down, 2, 3. Rest, same, same, rest, same, same, up, up, down, down, 2, 3. Now pause the video and practice it for yourself.